Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I am continuing the video word chart for the right angle weave. We are on row 7. Here is our piece through row 6. In this video I am using my pattern Bell for this project. And here we are starting. Our string is coming out of the first side bead away from the end of our row. So we are using the 2-step increase. We start by adding 3 beads, which we need 3 B letter colors. So we'll add 3 of those. And then we'll let them drop down. And then when you add 3 beads, you go through the bead that your string is coming out of. And there we have our first 3 beads for this row added. Now we want to go through all 3 beads to get in position to add the second set for the 2-step increase. So we go through all 3 beads we just added. And now our string is coming out the end of our row. And we're going to add the next 3 beads, which we need a C, an A, and a C. And we'll let them drop down. And then again, when you add 3 beads, you go through the bead that your string is coming out of. And you pull that tight. And now we will flip it over so that the end or the beginning of our current row is down. And then we need to go through the side bead and the top bead of our current row so that we're in position. Oops, string has gotten wrapped around. Hold on. Oh. Alright, I'm not sure what happened. Oh, there it is. It just turned. Sorry about that. Alright. There we go. Now we want to go through that side bead. And the current top bead of our row. And there we are, coming out the top bead. And now we are ready to add our row. And as our string is coming out of the top bead of our current row, we'll start by adding 2, that's 2 C colors. We let them drop down, and then we go through the side bead and top bead. Go through the side bead, and top bead, to position, we want to go through the 2 beads we just added plus the next side bead. And that has our string now coming out of the side bead on the previous row. And our next 6 sets will all be B colors, so we'll put on 2 B colors. And then we'll let them drop down. And we'll go through the top and then the side bead. And then to position, we just need to go through the first bead we added, which is our current top bead. Now our string is coming out of the top bead of our current row. We'll add 2 B colors. And we'll let them drop down. And then we go through the side and top bead. And then we go through the 2 beads we added plus the next side bead. And now our string is coming out of the side bead of our previous row. We'll add our next 2 colors. Let them drop down, and then we'll go through the top and side bead. And then we will position our string, go through the current top bead, the one we just added. And we are now ready to continue adding, but my string is very short, so in the next video I'm going to show you again how to add a new string, and then we will continue row 7 all except for the last set, which I'm going to do a video just for it. So I hope to see you in the next video.